Alright, coming up on Astro Auto Repairs, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to clean the corrosion off your battery post.
This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Alright, so your terminals look like this. What do you do with it? So there's brushes and stuff you can use, but then when you're brushing it, then that stuff gets all over the place. That's kind of yucky. I think the worst method I've heard of is use some Coke and pour some Coke on it, and that's supposed to clean it off.
Yeah,
but then that's going to make everything all sticky. That's no good. So all you need is very simple. All you need is some hot water. Just go to your faucet, turn the hot water on, let it come out hot, and then you just take the hot water and then you're just going to pour it on, and it's just going to wash it all away. You see that?
That's cool. I like that.
That's all you need to do. See, if I don't know if I can get in there because it's... I got it. Look at that. And it just washed everything away. It's kind of hard to get in there, but...
You're trying to scam us. What's in that water?
That's it. It's just plain hot water. That's all you need. Simple. Look at that. It washed all the corrosion away. Alright, you put your cover back on. You're ready to go. Keep on cruising. Alright, so that's it. That's as simple as it is to clean your battery terminal when it's covered in corrosion. If you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.